Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really good one. I've got some major decluttering I'm going to do here in this room. Probably the biggest clothes declutter I have ever done. I'm going to get in the drawers and clean those out. I'm going to also probably get rid of over half of my closet. I'm also going to be going through my shoes as well. We're going to get everything decluttered and I'm going to get everything tidied up. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, just keep on watching. So here's an overview of the room. You guys know I have cleaned this room so many times, but since it was just Christmas, I have a bunch of overflow of my decor in here as well. I really need to go through all of my decor and get rid of everything that I'm not using. And I did go through a little bit of that in this video, but my main focus today was to work on all of this clothing. Now, all of that mess right there actually came out of the back of my car. I recently just purchased a new car, and if you know what I mean, when you have to clean out one car to get ready to get into the new one, it's just a hot mess. So that's what all of that stuff is. I'm going to go ahead and start by trying to get all of that stuff cleared out and cleaned out, and then I'm going to move on to the clothes.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. On the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
All right, you guys, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now if you think Carol Baskin did it. But other than that, I want you guys to see how many t-shirts I actually got rid of. I had 2 full drawers and I got it all condensed down to 1. You guys know what a sucker I am for t-shirts, and I literally hoard them. I don't know why, but I think every single t-shirt I just have some sort of attachment with, but I was able to get rid of a ton, and I also got rid of some other things in those drawers too, just like some little workout tanks and things that just don't fit anymore. But I've made so much space in here, and I guarantee you I'll never think about those t-shirts again. I honestly didn't even remember that I had half of them in there, but it felt so good to just go through there and clean everything out and make everything look so much nicer. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and start going through everything that I have hung up in my closet. I'm going to take hangers out as well. It's basically the KonMari method. I'm just going to pull it out, look at it, and if it does not bring me joy, it's going. I didn't pull everything out like I did the very first time because that was just a huge mess in itself, but I did go through every single piece of clothing and made sure that I was not going to wear it again or it didn't fit again. And I'm also putting these in bins. I am going to go ahead and take them to the consignment shop. I mean, you put a lot of money into your clothes anyways, and if I can get anything back out of it, then that would be perfectly fine with me. And anything that does not go there is definitely going to go to either Goodwill or a shelter, but I definitely just needed to get in here and get through a lot of this.
Season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see, believe in you and me.
So now that I've gone through all of the clothes, I did take a couple of minutes and kind of do a really fast color coordination. It's not a perfect color coordination, but I do like the way that everything just kind of flows and it looks really nice when I open the door. And also I purchased one of these over the door shoe racks from Amazon. I do have a freestanding rack in the bottom of my closet, but I knew that I was going to go through the shoes and I was hoping that I would have enough left just to fill up this rack, and then I could take out the big one from the bottom of my closet, because as much as I really try to like make this my office and that's it, let's face it, it's going to have to do for some storage at some point. So I wanted to be able to use the bottom of the closet for anything that I needed to put in there, like a tote with decor or extra blankets and pillows, anything like that. I just try to make everything work as best I can and utilize any space that I might have. And I did pretty good. I got this full and I only had like 4 or 5 pairs of shoes left, but they were really like my boots and things like that, the bigger ones that would not have fit in there anyways. So I'm still kind of pleased with that, but I'm just going to go ahead and get finished filling all of this stuff up. And then I'm going to show you exactly what I got rid of. It is amazing. I'm so glad that I did this. It feels so much better. And I hope that this video gives you just a jump start on trying to tackle some decluttering, whether it be clothes or anything else. All of those shoes I'm getting rid of. All of those hangers were full of clothes and hanging in my closet, and now they're gone. Can you believe that?
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. just two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
So all of that decor that you guys saw me go through, that was basically the Christmas decor that I had upstairs. Now, like I said earlier, I plan on going through all of my decor and going through that too, but I just didn't feel the need in taking all of that downstairs just to bring it all back up again to go through. So I just went ahead and put it over there in the corner. That way it was there when I was ready to go through everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean everything up, vacuum, and finish dusting everything. But I also wanted to say a big thank you to everybody that voted on Instagram. I had asked you guys which video you wanted to see next, and hands down, this declutter video won, and I'm very glad that you voted that way. This needed to be done so badly, and that was just the kick in the pants that I needed to go ahead and tackle it. And I'm hoping that this is giving you some decluttering motivation of your own. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting everything wiped down, and then I'll come right back to tell you my future decluttering plans.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Okay guys, I am all done and I'm so super excited that this is finished and behind me. I hope this video gave you tons of motivation to do some decluttering of your own in your home. I also wanted to say the next decluttering video I'm going to be doing is a deep clean and declutter of my bathroom. You guys know how my bathroom is and everything that I keep under that sink, so make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on so you don't miss that. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.